Ideal first home or downsize in style. This home is immaculately presented and will delight. And it is situated in a sought-after location. Included with this home are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And it features dedicated parking for 1 vehicle. The kitchen has modern appliances and cooktop. This home offers low maintenance lifestyle and freedom from chores, and has a small but intimate patio space. It has good quality flooring and floor coverings, as well as split system air conditioning. Add to that modern, well-appointed fittings. Looking for the perfect downsizer? A wonderful opportunity to suit your ageing lifestyle. Want to discuss how to make this yours? Call me.